Thokozani bantwana bedlozi, mkhulisane le. Happy Friday. Enjoy your holiday. Bantwana bedlozi, sinemkhulisane les blood cleansing juice. Le mbiza le juice le. Iyasiza kakhulu, iyaklina igazi lakho, iyaklina izitho zomzimba. Iyaboosta immune system yakho. Yenza ukuthi ukwazi ukurelax, iyacalm ama-nerves. So I usually use it for people that have anxiety. We have umkhulisane le-skin juice. Le juice bantwana bedlozi iyaboosta i-immune system, iklina izitho, iklina igazi, iyakwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukulasta, iya-improve i-erection, uba right, uyazizwa nje ukuthi uyindoda. Angisho ukuthi aliwona amadoda, kodwa sometimes you need something ezokwazi ukuthi kuncedise. Sinembiza yomeko, baningi abantu abagulayo abaphethwe zinyawo, ziyashisa, zibuhlungu, ziyadumba, this and that. Le mbiza izokusiza kakhulu mntwana edlozi, angeke futhi ube nenkinga efana naleyo obhekane nayo. So contact ikhehlakazi on 079 935 4947. Siyathokoza. Have a good day.